Hey, what's going on, guys? Gooptonator here. As you can see, I just did the Thanksia toy box code. I don't know what it gave me, but it's been a long time since we've been here. Yeah, marshmallow, smooth, jelly bean, microconverter, honey egg, 10, pink balloon, pumpkin. Ooh, a pumpkin patch. So that requires the goo mask. There's another code called Walmart Toys. Oh, I've already redeemed that. There's the dazzled doodles, marshmallow, clover. Ooh, that was a waste. Let's get this on. Restart. Stinger tickets, red balloon, etc. And there's one more code called 5 mil favorites. I'll do that in just a minute, y'all. K. Where do I gotta go? Gotta get the boost. Go. No, it's empty. I'm guessing I'm gonna go to the white field. Clover and coconut, but I'd rather go into the white field. Let's see how many I can make today. Huh. Let's, yeah. Sheesh. Was never, I forgot about all this. But yeah, let me get this boost started, and I will see you guys in a minute. Now, I'm guessing some of y'all are wondering why I did this rather than Clover or Coconut. One, I have not played the game in so long, to the point that Coconut Crab probably should have respawned like 100 times by now. Two, Cloverfield's not my strong suit. It's like really hard for me to get any pollen from there, because like I got boost on other stuff except for like Clover. And I would need like maybe like a moon charm shrine thing, whatever it's called. This thing. I'd probably want a Clover boost, like percent per honey pollen, but I don't, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, that's why I'm doing this, because that's really the only thing I can do, actually. Oh, wait a second, I forgot. There's 400% pollen from stuff. I can put a glitter and do it again. Let me do that and add on top. And also, jeez, people still really going at this. Half a quad a day. At least Elo's on top. I'm happy about that. Mr. Makito. Elo, come on, man. You should be on top. Come on. So, how much do I have so far? 5 bills sounds about right. Jeez, I just defeated a vicious bee. 9 plus 5 stings. Sheesh. Ugh, I forgot about the lag. Just if you keep watching. Yeah, see the lag that occurs. Ooh. See? The terrible lag. I completely forgot about it. Wait a second, he added something. Hide other bees. I guess that would help. I don't know if it truly does. And I don't know what this does. Probably helps too. But Okay, anyways. Let me go ahead and add glitter. That was a glue. Oops. Glitter and purple potion. Let's see how much more we can get. Oh yeah, also got to... Yeah, those three are the things that don't add on top of the purple potion. There we go. See how much more I can make, at least. And the fact that I'm at one of my highest backpack capacities with just this code, which is just a regular code, the average, it was like at like 300 million 300 million plus. Like, my max has been like half a trillion. No, half a billion. But sheesh. Am I right? Let's see if we can get another tadpole to be gifted. Nah. What do fuzzies like? No. Pineapples? Yeah, pineapples. Let's feed it 10k. No? Another 10k and that's it. No, I'm doing pineapples, so let's do 9212. Nope. Another 1k, here we go. Wow, that sucks. What do vicious like? Vicious love sunflowers. Might as well feed it. Nope. Well, let me go do this boost. Can't waste it. Bruh, I can hear people doing fireworks outside. It's not even that late. It's only like 7. What is it? It's 8 o'clock. But I can just hear people doing fireworks outside. That's nice. Might do some later on today. 4th of July. Yeah, I think I'm done with this boost. I'm getting tired. But yeah, how much do you guys think I've made? Let me get this going. Let me turn that off. How many do you guys think of the billions I have made for this boost? But now we still have one more boost called 5 mil favorites, but I won't redeem that yet. Let me get this one done so you can see how much you do. Put your guys' guesses in the comments. Let's see who can get it right. If somebody can get it up to the like, if you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you can get these 6 numbers right, I probably am gonna give you a shout out and probably gonna like your comment. So may subscribe to you. We'll see about that. You just gotta get these 6 numbers right whenever we go over there. Like, if I made 7,433,000,000, you gotta get that right. But yeesh, this is taking a while. Yeah, and the booster almost out. Got like a minute left or something, so there's no point. Who would have thought this balloon would have taken a while? It's been like, I'm not even joking when I say this. It's literally been like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But now, yeah, it's been 5 minutes. This is taking a really long time. Like, it looks like it's going fast now because we're just in a couple millions, but jeez. Oh yeah, those bone pops. Oh my gosh, ASMR. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, oh. I'm getting close. Oh. I don't know, do you guys want me to play, it's not Bee Swarm, but it's Bees of Us something? Oh, did you guys see that? Oops. Didn't mean to get up on it. But how much do you guys think I got? Don't go rewinding back. But here. Boom. Not bad, actually. I'm not too impressed, but got a goodish number. Now, apparently the 5 mil code gives you a 2-day honey buff, nothing else. And I'm not gonna be the type of person to go and doing that. I really don't feel like grinding for the next 2 days, cause I got other things I gotta do. Hold on, where's this? Is that a false? Or is that somebody just doing the wind chime? I don't see it anywhere. I don't see any clouds anywhere. Oh wait, it could spawn here? Nah. Hold on, let's see if, before I end this video off, let's see if I can buy anything from up here. Ooh, I can. Nice. So let's see. 25, got that. 25, got that. 15, got that. Yeesh. And 3 got that, 10 got that. Let's... Where is it gonna be? It's gonna be in here somewhere. Yeah. Let's go check it out. So it grows faster in a 5 times B zone. So we have to put it here somewhere. And it's radioactive. So I'm going to put it right here. Now I'm going to put it in the corner. So, you know, people who are grinding don't have to have that in their way. What type of planter is this called? Where is it? Where'd it go? Pacific planter. But yeah. Anyway, so guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Now remember, the code is 5mil favorites for the 2-day honey boost. Now it hasn't expired. I don't know. Oops. Sorry. Now it hasn't expired. I don't know when it expires, but I'm not gonna claim it. Even if it stays forever, I'm still not gonna claim it because I don't feel like doing it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.